In this video, I will show you how you can record the screen of your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Now doing that is very simple. First of all, just open the control center on your iPhone, then tap on the screen recording button. Now if you cannot find the screen recording button in the control center, so just tap and hold on the empty space in your control center, then tap on add a control at the bottom of the page. Now in the search bar, just search this. From here, just tap on screen recording. Now after you do that, you will add the screen recording shortcut to the control center. Now you can move the shortcut around and you can place it wherever you want. You can increase or decrease the size of the shortcut as you like. And once you're satisfied with the size of the shortcut, then just tap on anywhere on the screen to save the changes. Now to start screen recording, just tap on the screen recording option to start recording. Just like that. And as you can see, we have started screen recording on our iPhone. Now to stop recording, just tap on the dynamic island, then tap on the red square icon over here. And after you do that, you will stop recording. Now all the screen recordings which you have recorded, you will find them in the Photos app. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.